Morning friends, welcome once again to Fiona's India home workout series. Today we have upper body workout with resistance, so you can keep the properties like a water bottle or a water can or any weight that you could lift above your shoulders, and then you also will be taking the support of the wall, or you can take the support of a couch or a stable chair pushed towards the wall. So these are the properties that we'll be requiring today for the workout. So we'll have 2 rounds of warm-up. The warm-up will have walkouts, shoulder press, shoulder rotation and table push-ups. So we'll see the demo one by one. First one is the walkout. So raise both your arms, come down, touch the floor, walk out. Try to maintain your position of your knee and try not to bend the knee as far as possible. Walk out as far as possible and then come up. So this is the first warm up. Do 15 numbers of this. Second one is shoulder press. So pick up a resistance whichever is comfortable to you, a water bottle or a 20-liter water can. This is just a warm up, so it can be lighter weight. So do 15 numbers of shoulder press. Just push up. Ensure that the elbow comes up to the level of the shoulders and it is raised up. So feel the shoulder that is moving up. So the next warm up is shoulder rotation. So this time we will be doing a wider shoulder rotation so that it can warm up your pectorals as well. So rotate your shoulders clockwise 15 numbers and anti-clockwise 15 numbers. So this is a simple warm-up. Next one we have push-up, table push-up or a normal push-up. The beginners can take the support of the table. Go down, try to bend your elbow, keep your elbows closer to your body. The advanced guys can reverse it, can keep their legs on the table or the support and hands down and do the push-ups. So this for the warm-up. Again 15 numbers of table push-ups. So that is our warm-up. Repeat it for 2 rounds. And now we'll move to the workout of the day. The workout of the day has 4 workouts to be repeated 3 times. 3 rounds of it. First workout is wall plank walk. So you can either do it on a wall or again you can do it on a table or a couch. The idea is that the plank, you have to first start with the plank position. The plank position should be such a way that your level of leg is same parallel to the ground. Your body should be parallel to the ground. That is the starting position. Body should be parallel to the ground. So bring your legs, feet as low as possible and ensure that your body is straight, parallel to the ground. Now walk out and walk in. As you are walking in towards, ensure that your wrists are just above your hips. So travel maximum distance based on your comfort level. You can also do it on the couch. Place your legs on the couch or a table or the support. So this is the starting position. Now walk out and walk in. So walk in as close as possible. Walk out as far as possible. Based on your capability, you can do this and repeat this 10 numbers. Now, forward and backward is 1 number, so repeat it 10 numbers. Second one is diamond push-ups. This will work out your triceps. So go down, make a diamond shape. Basically keep both your palms together and do the normal push-ups. The beginner's version can land their knees. Go as low as possible and come up. Ensure that you feel the workout in your triceps. The third workout, you have to do 15 numbers of this. The third workout is T plank rotation. So come again to the plank position. This is a full plank position. Now move your right arm up as high as possible. Rotate it. Come back. Touch the floor. Take the other leg, other arm. Rotate and come back. So repeat this 20 numbers. This will strengthen both your upper body as well as core. So the last workout is shoulder press. Again, you can take optimum resistance. Unlike your warm-up, you can take a larger resistance and continue the shoulder press. Do 25 numbers of this. So that is the last workout. So you will repeat all these 4 workouts for 3 rounds and let us know the time that you have taken to complete the whole workout. Now we will do some stretching for your shoulders. First one is stretch your shoulders by pushing your elbows across with your other arm. Do it on the other side as well. Hold it for 15 counts. Next one is your triceps stretch. Raise it up, pull your elbows behind as back as possible. Third one is lock both your hands behind and go down, lift it up. Hold it for 15 counts. The last one is keep both your elbows on the table or on the couch. Go down. Go as back as possible. Move your knees back, and put your head down. Head down. You should be able to feel the stretch along your lats. Also stretch your posterior shoulders. So that completes the stretching for today's workout. Hope you'll have a great workout. Have a nice day. Bye.